Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet 3635 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. In a search, type HP Deskjet 3635 driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from support.hp.com, official website of the HP printer. Open the first link, our printer name, open the first link. And official website is open. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows and select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update and this page or box goes to refresh. After that, scroll down and here we find driver product installation software. Expand it, expand this driver product installation software. Here we find basic drivers, expand basic drivers, and here we find our printer drivers. HP Deskjet 3630. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name HP Deskjet 3635 is also included. Click on this download and it's redirect you to the another web page and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. It takes few seconds to complete. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on showing folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and this setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Go to this setup file, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It extract our files to our folder. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner at the top. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new options are pop up. Wait for a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option, select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and if you find any port name .4_001 HP printer device HP, then select that. If you not find any HP port, then last option is USB. Select any USB port that you want, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port that you want, select USB port, click on the next, click on have a disk, click on a browse, go to the desktop. Here we find one folder, double click on it, double click on our folder, extracted folder. Here we find some files, all files contain same driver. Select any file that you want, all file contain same drivers. Click on open, click on OK. Here we find our printer name HP Deskjet 3630 series. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name HP Deskjet 3635 is also included. Select that and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give 3635 HP Deskjet 3635. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly and completely install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. It is installed now. If you want to share this printer in a network, Then a last option, I don't. So I select first option, do not share this printer. Select that and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Deskjet 3635, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.